Hi friends, Miss Darla here, and today we're going to be talking about sound structures and weight distribution. For this experiment, you're going to need tape and lots of paper. Oh, and something to stack on it. Maybe some books, like your entire personal collection of Nancy Drew novels. Yeah, I think that'll do it. You'll also need one big book to use as a base. Next, you'll need to decide what structure that you would like your paper to be in to stack as many books as possible on it. First, I tried using triangles. This seemed to work for only a couple books, and I thought that I could do better. Next, I decided to try to do a loose cylinder with the paper. Now, this seemed to work better, and I did leave the paper intact instead of cutting it in half, but it still didn't fit my entire Nancy Drew collection. So, I tried to do something different. This time, I tried to use tight cylinders. This structure made it so that I could end up stacking my entire Nancy Drew collection on it. Because of the weight distribution between the 4 sheets of paper and the structure of a tight cylinder, I was able to get all 28 books stacked, no problem, on this structure. To top off my tower of books, I put a crown of M&Ms on it and called it good. This is not the end of how many books that I could have fit on this structure. I'm sure that I could have stacked more, but that is something that I am going to let you discover on your own. How can you make this be more successful? Would you add more paper? Would you change the cylinder's shape to something else? Would you distribute the weight along the paper differently? These are the questions that you can ask yourself while you make your very own tower of books.